If you use Grammarly in more than one language, or you've ever wondered how to switch the writing language, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language on Grammarly using both the browser extension and the desktop app on Windows and Mac. This is a quick and simple setting, but it can make a huge difference if Grammarly is correcting you in the wrong dialect or not matching the way you write. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the Grammarly browser extension. If you're using Grammarly inside Chrome, Edge, or another supported browser, look up to the top right corner of your browser window and click the Grammarly extension icon. This opens the Grammarly menu. Once the menu appears, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. At the bottom of that menu, you'll see a setting called I Write In. This is the option Grammarly uses to choose your preferred language dialect. Now click the I Write In drop-down menu. You'll see a list of language options and dialects available to you. Choose the one that matches how you write. For example, if you want American English, select that. If you prefer British English, choose that instead. Grammarly will then adjust its suggestions based on the language setting you picked. This is especially useful if your spelling, punctuation, or vocabulary needs to match a specific region or audience. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or reopen the document you're working on. That usually helps Grammarly apply the new setting properly. Once it's updated, you should notice the corrections and suggestions becoming more relevant to your chosen language dialect. Now let's move on to the desktop version of Grammarly for Windows and Mac. If you use the standalone Grammarly app, the process is just as easy. On Windows, go to your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. On Mac, look in the top right menu bar, find the Grammarly icon, then right-click it to open the menu. From that context menu, select Settings. A settings window will pop up, and inside that window, look for the I Write In drop-down menu. Just like in the browser extension, this is where you choose your preferred language. Click the drop-down and select the language dialect you want Grammarly to use. After you make your selection, close the settings window. In most cases, the change should save automatically. If you're writing in a different English variant for school, business, or content creation, this setting helps Grammarly give more accurate and useful suggestions. It's a small adjustment, but it can save you from a lot of unnecessary corrections, and that's it. You've now learned how to change language on Grammarly in both the browser extension and the desktop app. If you were looking for a way to switch between English dialects, now you know exactly where to find the setting and how to update it in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.